Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be showing you exactly how to add apps to your desktop in Windows 11. If you've just installed Windows 11 or want quick access to your favorite apps right from your home screen, this tutorial will make it super easy for you. Before we get started, if you find this video helpful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing. It really helps out the channel and keeps me motivated to make more quick guides like this one. Alright, let's get straight into it. There are two main ways you can add apps to your desktop on Windows 11. Method 1, right-click anywhere on your desktop where there's empty space. From the menu that pops up, hover over View here, you'll see an option that says Show Desktop Icons. Make sure that's checked. This ensures your app shortcuts will actually appear on your desktop. Now let's move on to Method 2, which is the main way to add specific apps. Go down to your taskbar and click on the Start menu. That's the Windows icon. Once it's open, click on All Apps in the top right corner above your Pinned section. You'll now see a full list of all the apps installed on your computer. Find the app you want to add. For example, let's say Discord. Simply click and hold the app with your left mouse button, then drag it onto your desktop and release. And just like that, Windows instantly creates a shortcut right there on your desktop. You can repeat this process for any other apps you use often, like Chrome, Spotify, or Word, to make launching them faster and easier. And that's it. You've just learned how to add apps to your desktop in Windows 11 using a couple of quick methods. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy tech guides, and drop a comment below letting me know what you'd like to see next. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.